Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method for creating perfectly consistent images for your project scene after scene using just one free tool. Stick around because I'll reveal the exact tool and process as we go. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it yourself like a pro. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This keeps me motivated to bring you more tips like this. Head over to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt together with your story's script, then hit enter. ChatGPT will divide your script into scenes and generate image prompts for each scene. In this video, I made the number of scenes 7, but you can choose the number of scenes you want from the prompt. Now, copy the image prompt for the first scene, paste it back into ChatGPT, and hit enter. ChatGPT will create the image for the first scene. Now here's the catch, so pay attention. Copy the image prompt for the second scene. Go back to the image for the first scene and tap on it. When you do that, you are telling ChatGPT that you want to edit it. Now paste the image prompt for the second scene in and hit enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create the image for the second scene using the facial features from the image in the first scene. In that way, the images will be consistent. Now let's create the image for the third scene using the same method. Because I have already shown you, I will move faster. Here is the image for the third scene. You can see that it is consistent with the other two images. Now these are the 3 images we created from ChatGPT, and you can see that it is very consistent. For this video, I'll end here, but you can generate as many images as you want for all your scenes using the same method, even on your free account. And now, that's how you can keep all your images matching perfectly, scene after scene, right inside ChatGPT for free. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful content like this. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.